Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce a dump truck to you. Flathead roll hub cab. Equipped with sleeper for driver to rest. Equipped with Yuchai 340 horsepower engine and 12-speed gearbox. It provides strong power output. 20R20 tires. Equipped with a spare tire. The wheelbase of the vehicle is 3950 plus 1400 millimeters. The size of the cargo box is 6000 times 2350 times 1500 millimeters. Unlike other conventional dump trucks, this cargo box doesn't need to be in gear when lifting. The body is made of electrophoresis process, and the cargo box is welded with intelligent AI throughout, with smooth weld seams. We are Hubei off-road special vehicle. If you're interested in this vehicle, you can contact us.